So this Dana 35 is out of lifted 99 Jeep Grand Cherokee 31s. Open diff, no big deal. I just wanted to show the carnage that the pinion bearing went through. Now this made a real nice noise. We had gone through this differential and switched every single bearing. Sorry, we went through this axle rather and switched every single bearing. Switched both driver and passenger side wheel bearings. We switched the differential carrier bearings. We even switched the spider gears in there because the old ones were a little bit chewed up. But turns out the culprit this whole time was this really destroyed pinion bearing. What's weird is that the other pinion bearing, completely fine. That's just grit from taking it out. No pits. But down here, that's one of the worst roller bearings I've ever seen. Like, look at that. It doesn't even want to move. That one right there. Ridiculous.